Hey, what's up guys, this is Satej. Yesterday the Lenovo Z6 has been launched in China and I have to say this is one of the best phone of 2019. Lenovo has finally completed its Z series lineup for this year. Its last installment, the Vanilla Z6, has a complete package, so first let's start with the design. The Lenovo Z6 is built out of Series 6000 aluminium frame and flaunts a 3D glass back housing a triple camera setup. On the front, it features a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display and comes with a water drop notch. But the top bezel is like it's not there. Lenovo has done a particularly good job of negating a top bezel. But the interesting aspect of this panel will be its 120Hz refresh rate panel. Now this is what we don't see anywhere. I'm saying this because the price of this phone in China is just out of this world. It's so much affordable, and for that you are getting a 120Hz refresh rate display. Imagine playing games in 120Hz screen. It will be buttery smooth. In addition to 120Hz display, it also supports HDR10 and DCI-P3 wide color gamut. The display also has a fingerprint scanner that uses 6th generation on-screen photoelectric fingerprint to achieve unlock speed of 0.13 seconds. The Lenovo Z6 comes with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 730 processor. Yes, it is the same processor that powers the Redmi K20. Xiaomi will be launching the Redmi K20 in India in few weeks' time. The Lenovo Z6 offers 3 memory combos: 6GB RAM and 64GB memory, 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, and finally 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. The smartphone also has a micro SD card slot which allows storage expansion by up to 512GB. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Lenovo Z6 on the rear consists of 24MP Sony IMX576 with an f1.8 aperture and 8MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, although the hybrid zoom is dialed up to 8x, and a 5MP depth sensor. The Lenovo Z6 runs on Android Pie based on ZUI 11 custom skin. On battery side of things, it packs a 4000 mAh battery with 15W fast charging support. Although the box includes an 18W charger, that's a good thing to have. Connectivity options include USB Type-C, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth version 5, 3.5mm audio jack, and more. So now that you know its specifications, what do you think? The AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, Snapdragon 730 processor, a big battery, and you are set to play games for a long hours. If you ask me, the only thing missing is the pop-up camera to give that immersive experience, and this could be the cheaper OnePlus 7 Pro. As far as the pricing is concerned, the Lenovo Z6 comes for yuan 1899, that roughly translates to rupees 19,000. This is the price for the base model that includes 6GB RAM and 64GB storage. The 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage model comes for yuan 2099, that roughly translates to rupees 21,000. And 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage model comes for yuan 2499, that roughly comes around rupees 25,000. The Lenovo Z6 comes in just one color, that is blue. There are also no reports on whether the Lenovo Z6 will come to India or not. We have to wait for the company to talk about Lenovo Z6 India launch, but hope to see this phone in India. With that, I'll be signing off. See you next time. Like and subscribe. Peace out.